Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my fall makeup tutorial 2025. So I do this every year on my channel. I do a fall makeup look. It's different every year. So yeah, let's just get started. So this year I'm going for a matte fall look. So I'm going to start off with a primer. This is the Maybelline Grippy Serum Primer and I'm going to use my e.l.f. small stipple brush to apply this. So I love this because it is a serum, so it's moisturising and it's a really sticky, grippy primer, so it makes your makeup last all day. So I really like this and it's super affordable too. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution IRL Filter Longwear Foundation Breathable Soft Matte in the shade F1. This is the palest shade that they do. This is more of a matte foundation, however, it's not a dry-in matte. So I have combination / dry skin and typically matte foundations don't work very well for me. However, this is okay with this primer. It looks really good and it doesn't go dry and cakey throughout the day like some matte foundations do. So I actually really like this foundation. So I'm going to be applying this with my LA Girl makeup sponge. So now I'm going to contour the face using this NYX Wonder Stick Highlight and Contour Stick in the shade Light / Medium. I'm just using the contour side. I'm then going to blend this in with my Morphe M436 brush and the sponge. Now for concealer, I'm using the matching concealer for the foundation. This is the Revolution IRL Filter Finish Soft Matte Concealer in the shade C1. I'm then going to use the same sponge to blend this in. Now for powder, I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder in the shade Transparent, using my Morphe G35 brush to set my eye area first. Then I'm using my Morphe E2 brush to set the rest of my face. Now for bronzer, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer, using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Powder Brush. And for blush, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in the shade Vintage Rouge, using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Blush Brush. And then for highlighter, I'm using this Wet n Wild Colour Icon highlighter in the shade Reserve Your Cabana, using my Sigma Tapered Highlighter F35 brush. It's a really natural and subtle highlight. I don't like much in the fall time. Right, now we are moving on to my eyes, so let's zoom you in. Okay, so today I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Mad for Matte eyeshadow palette, and like I said, it's going to be a very simple, very matte brown fall makeup look. So to start with, I'm going in with the second shade from the left here on my Morphe R37 brush, and I'm going to pop that through the crease. I'm then going to go in with this shade here. It's the second from the end. It's like a dark brown shade. I'm going to pop that on the outer corners using my Morphe G16 brush. I'm then going back with the original brush and the original shade and just blending it all together. I'm then going to take those same colours on my lower lash line using my Morphe E18 brush. And then I'm just going to use this Colourpop like flat brush, and I'm going to go in with the first shade here, and I'm just going to pop that over the lid. Now I'm going to use this Collection Dewy Setting Spray. Then for eyebrows, I'm using this 17 Brow and Lash Clear Mascara. For eyeliner, I'm using this NYX Epic Wear Liner Stick in the shade Deepest Brown. Then I'm going in with mascara, and I'm using the Essence Lash Princess Curl and Volume Mascara using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers first. Now finally for lips, I am going in with the No. 7 Moisture Drench lipstick in the shade Berry Blush. Okay, so this is the final look. This is my fall makeup tutorial 2025. Very matte, all affordable products, and really quick and easy to do as well. So yeah, that completes this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!